In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to use Claude on Mac to create text, code, and complete tasks with the help of artificial intelligence. First, open a browser on your Mac, such as Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. Next, go to the official Claude website and sign in to your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free using your email or Google account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main chat area where you can type any question or task you want. To use Claude, simply write a clear request such as creating code, writing text, summarizing content, or explaining a topic. The more specific your request is, the better the AI-generated results will be. You can also ask Claude to correct text, generate ideas, create scripts, or help with project development. If you want to save the generated content, simply copy the text and paste it into your document, editor, or programming environment. Another tip is to keep your conversations organized by topic so you can find them easily later. Claude can be used for studying, working, coding, and automating many tasks on Mac. And that's it. Now you know how to use Claude on Mac quickly and efficiently. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.